Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Docs into Weebly. This is a fantastic way to display live documents on your website, whether you're sharing meeting notes, collaborative documents, or important information that updates in real time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Look at the left menu where you'll see the website option and click on it. Underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. So go ahead and click that too. This will bring up a list of all your websites. Choose the website you want to edit, then look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This opens up your website editor where you'll be making the changes. Now, before we continue with Weebly, we need to grab the embed code from Google Docs. Open your Google document in a separate tab or window. Once you have your document open, click on File in the top menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Share. You'll see several options here, but what we're looking for is Publish to the Web. Click on that option, and a dialog box will pop up, giving you two choices, link or embed. Since we want to embed this document directly into your Weebly site, click on Embed. Next, click the Publish button to generate your embed code. The embed code will appear in the dialog box. Simply copy this code because we'll be using it in just a moment. Now head back to your Weebly editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where all your editing tools are located. On the left side menu, look for the embed code element. If you don't see it right away, just click on Show All Elements to expand the full list of available elements. Once you've located the embed code element, simply drag it into the area of your website where you want your Google Doc to appear. This creates a placeholder on your page. Click on the embed code element you just placed, and a pop-up menu will appear. Click on Edit Custom HTML. This opens a text box where you can paste your embed code. Go ahead and paste the code you copied from Google Docs earlier. Once pasted, your Google Doc will appear embedded right on your Weebly page, updating automatically whenever changes are made to the original document. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Doc into your Weebly website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.